What's up, my stylish people? This is Shang. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about all black clothing. It's not boring for sure because I'm gonna get started with the basic option and let's slowly progress towards the statement options. Black color, it's easy to wear. It's one of my favorite color, hence so might be yours. I got 5 of them. Fourth and fifth are my personal favorites. All of the clothing pieces are my favorites, of course, because I picked for this all. But those are my personal favorites, fourth and fifth options. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And getting started with the t-shirt number 1. I got a V-neck black color half sleeve t-shirt from one of my favorite brand, which is Jockey. If you are following this channel since quite some time, you must be already aware that I love Jockey V-neck t-shirts as well as round neck t-shirts. For this video, for this black clothing haul video, I got a black v-neck t-shirt. This is priced at 450 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. It fits really well. I love Jockey t-shirts because they fit very snug at the chest area with enough room at the waist area, and also at the sleeve they end just above the triceps. So the fit is impeccable for the Jockey t-shirts, and not to forget their affordable price points. A personal thing I observed, Jockey v-neck t-shirts generally they fit you really well when compared to the round neck options. They are like more durable, they fit you well, and also the material is a little bit on the thicker side. I observed that personally, may not be the case for you. Moving on to the t-shirt number 2, it's a black color half sleeve round neck t-shirt from Rare Rabbit that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 17.99. Yes, it's super expensive if you consider it's a basic black t-shirt, but that's not the case here. The center of attraction for this t-shirt is the crown applique on the left hand side. And also to top it all, it is made of Supima cotton. Generally, Supima cotton itself is a super expensive option because it's a premium version of the cotton. It fits really snug at the chest area, and all the factors which I mentioned for the t-shirt number 1 applies here. And I feel that it fits even better than the Jockey t-shirt. And there will be a sale going on Amazon from 7 to 9. You can find this anywhere at 30 to 40% off. If you get this anywhere close to 800 to 1000 rupees, I feel that it's a fair price point for the quality you are getting with the Rare Rabbit option. I have white t-shirt as well. That's how much I love these t-shirts. You can use them as a base or you can use them as is, because just simple black t-shirt with a crown up going on in the gold color with that slight contrast, you can just use this and still look good. Having said that, moving on to the black clothing piece number 3 for this video. It is a full sleeve sweatshirt which I got from Fugazi, and it is priced at 17.99 or 1800. Let me show you guys very quickly. Here the main focus of the statement option when it comes to this t-shirt is the rose appliques on one side of the sleeve area. When it comes to the overall sweatshirt, it's basically a black sweatshirt, and also when it comes to the thickness, it's thick enough for mild to moderate winters, and also if you can see this very closely, it have this soft brushed lining inside. Overall, when it comes to the fit, it is a boxy or a relaxed fit kind of a sweatshirt. But a minor disqualifier I observed for this sweatshirt, the boxy fit majorly applies at the sleeves area, not throughout the sweatshirt. Yes, it do have some sort of a extra room when it comes to the waist area, but mostly it's limited to the sleeves when it comes to the drop down shoulders or the extra fabric at the end of the sleeves. I got the sweatshirt in a size of large, by the way. Moving on to the black clothing number 4 for this video. I told you guys 4th and 5th are my personal favorite, and this is a boxy full sleeve shirt from Jack and Jones that I got it at a price point of maybe 2000 or 2200 after 40% off. By the way, it is priced somewhere at 3500 rupees off. I don't know why they priced it on that much higher end, because basically it's a black shirt but with a boxy fit to it, and these extra prints and this belt which you can actually remove. It is made of cotton, it's normal material, and when it comes to the center of focus for this shirt, it's the attachments here. If you don't want, you can remove, and you have this prints going on, and here the buttons are color coordinated and you get this lock-in buttons. Overall, it's a nice good quality black shirt. If you want a black shirt but want a statement option among that, I think this can be the one in case if you have the budget close to 2000 rupees, or else you can feel free to skip this option. For me, I like this overall vibe you are getting in terms of the boxy fit and in terms of the prints, because the prints here is also in the white color. Even if you see the belts also, the prints that has been written, the text that has been written, it's in the white color. Overall, it's a black and white combination and you can never go wrong. Having said that, moving on to the 5th option. 5th option is a jeans for this video, and it is a black color Jack and Jones jeans, or I can say cargo jeans, which I got it in a size of 31 by 32. 32 here is the inseam and 31 is the waist. It is priced super highly. Let me check the price very quickly, how much it is priced. It is priced at 5000 rupees. I got a 50% off on Amazon, bringing down the price point close to 2500 rupees. So what exactly I liked in this black color cargo jeans? One, of course, the pockets. Here they have the 2 small pockets on one side of the jeans, and when it comes to the other side, they have the plain black color jeans going on, and on the back side you do get 2 pockets just like the cargo style. And here the center of attraction number 1 would be the zipper with the bag to it. I'm not sure why they gave the belt for it, or else it would have been super cool even more, but still you get a crossbody bag as well in case if you want to just remove this and use as a crossbody bag. And number two, you get this drawstrings at the hem of the jeans so that you can customize your fit. And not stopping there, the third option when it comes to this jeans is the zippers you get on both sides at the knees area so that you can remove this part of the jeans and you can use this as a normal cargo short. Overall, it's a good bang for your buck. And do I need to specially mention the quality of the Jack and Jones jeans in general? They pioneered that, so the quality of jeans is really good, and also it do have some sort of elastin to it. Overall, it's a super comfortable one, and when it comes to the fit of it, it's a slim fit jeans. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did so, don't forget to click the like down below and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. If you guys want to watch my all black clothing, means the ones which I already have, not just I picked for this all, do let me know in the comment section below. I will make one for you. That's it from me. See you next time.